And the Madius are in the bed fridge. Yeah, but down near the fridge. Can see we are almost done. Just left with the arrangements. You Natai once again. We are done with the freezer. Come here. We are done with the freezer. Everything works intact. I had the experience of another man can say more it's all good. We are done. We are intact. Everything is nice. Well sealed. From a funny baby. So look here. Check it out. Order yours. Add the color you want. And say I don't know. I see where I am. I say, now by some of the you are telling you to go to the them. Yeah, my want some one master shoe. Couple, German country, we didn't want to team the bamboo. What from the mamma the hospital? Next week will be those in a chow. If you are my time also this time around to do 1 month for the butcher. Quick loan put my eye went to my car. When you can come on buoy, quality, or the watching of your. The problem is that what can be chairman maintain the story because he knows that my mom will be on that she will get that on but I don't have problem the man so at us. It's someone homogen problem, homogen, or is cat no them to solve the problem. So them is problems to one homogen Panama for the Mepiska, and that was solve problems at us. It's ball, my Jenny Ujuma, not Jenny Tokonebe for the beings car, not found pony Ujuma, more pon cassa. Atasa, but the nancy brain for pisca, not for some problems. I had them the better. A being Beniska was a mayor, Mancandada. I will show the put show or check. Last hour, the moon or pardon, and then I'm not check. See, steady, you win your number hard. My journal, and say, name should be biscuit or any human skin for some problems. No, the matter. I am your hair. I'm not for two. Very true. Give up. True. Very cool. It's very cool. It's very cool. I will tend to an ice block and bottle water very soon. Very soon. So I'm telling you, this is Ghana's very own barrel freezer, Kingsway fast freezer. Purchase it in I am born in Ghana in a better place. God bless Ghana. God bless everyone. Thank you. Yamia yawa dom wa swabro ba ni nsem ye kakra. Ho a kire wa akodom bo bosa 2 weeks time e botu 3 months ni entue. we need who need chair non custom one. I see who may die. In what they dying, like for real couple. Maybe it's gonna shape ya for putting a kucha. I don't bother yourself greeting her again. Cause on Joe. Yo, so Kingsway Barrel, you can see one here, one there. That is not branded. This one is branded. So, like I said, Kingsway Barrel, Watan, baby, no. But listen, if I say Watan, on your profane word or a new D terms, that are the new terms. Watan, it means Sentinel, baby, is everywhere popular. Like Sentinel, bang, bang, Sentinel. So you get me. So this is the Kingsway Barrel, fresh, branded, brand new. And you know, check out the inside, man. Check out the inside. Check out. So you know what? The Kingsway Barrel freezer is going for 1,600 cedis, which is, I mean, way affordable. Or a falla, JJ. So order yours, grab yours, and we take pre-order. Then sell home. Fast way ASAP. Kingsway Barrel freezer nani. Like I said, what Sentinel Jibia. Good morning from Kingsway Barrel shop, you know. I say bank can't Ghana and fair and I'm brain dagu. Like most small boys I'm when you man. One young cook nurse in the wood or put up ban or join in the now any that small boy no obey the obey started. Obey and a small boys will be sent there. I say for one band team school brew. Yes, now one band team school. Yen the mamma breeding an issue, make them party just for called prison crowd will be sent and band team school. Or lock was so simple as jam band team school. I remember now issue that band team school. Anyway, it's good morning from Kingsway Barrel Freezer Shop. I wish you all the best. Kingsway Barrel Freezer not time. Sentinel baby. Must say, Yakada Watan, or a profane, or a taka the new terms. What kind of Watan? I said, I know a boom. What kind of Momayani, water tan? Nature or a boomist. You understand? So, good morning. I wish you all the best.
This one is easy. Now, fridge that they produce, so this one is more affordable. According to him, he says he's selling it 1,600. Oh, small money. Yeah. Now, this guy, they just create work opportunity for themselves. Now, they are making this freezer. Small money, you can just go there and buy them. The only way you can support them is to just get the fridge. Just one. Now, drum, they make them. This one are made in Ghana. The young guy who don't want to do bad thing, who just want to work. Oh, all right. Thank you. Bye-bye for now. Okay.